Let's dive right into this explainer on a forgotten 1850s boomtown that literally built America. Ready? Believe it or not, this mystery river port handled way more cargo than Chicago itself. Crazy, right?
The answer is Galena, Illinois, a tiny town sitting on a massive underground secret.
That secret was lead. It was the backbone of early 1800s industry, and America desperately needed it. Miners flooded in hoping to strike it rich. But man, the daily reality was absolutely brutal. With zero modern machinery, they dug entirely by hand through endless, freezing winters. They worked grueling shifts, literally standing knee-deep in heavy, freezing mud for hours on end, all while trapped inside pitch-black, highly dangerous underground tunnels. One mistake meant total disaster. But get this staggering contrast. That grueling underground misery funded absolute luxury right above it. The town transformed almost overnight. We're talking rapid explosions of lavish hotels and incredibly wealthy estates. Sitting right near the Mississippi River, its massive port shipped this vital lead all across the nation. Crucially, Galena's lead supplied bullets and ammunition for the Civil War. It literally shaped American history. But hey, no boom lasts forever. Once the lead deposits vanished in the 1850s, the wealth followed. Businesses shut down, and Galena quickly became a quiet, frozen-in-time remnant of its former glory. Yet shockingly, those lead mines aren't even the most incredible part of Galena's legacy. Miraculously, this single, tiny mining town produced an astounding 9 different Civil War generals. Even more impressively, one of those local generals actually went on to lead the entire country. That man was Ulysses S. Grant. This forever linked this quiet mining town to the presidency. So it really makes you wonder, what other forgotten small towns hide secrets that completely changed history?